I open my eyes, I'm 30 miles from Oklahoma. I'm so far from West Virginia, I have dreams of Barcelona. Memories of growing up in between all the mountains. Left my morals in New York, somehow again I found them. The tears in her eyes, the dirt on my boots. Your home or the road, she said, you must choose. I miss the good old days.